What's up, Film Jammers? This week we have a special episode on the new Red Komodo camera, and this episode is being completely filmed in 6K on the Komodo. Holy Shania Twain, Film Jams, am I in 6K right now? Film. Yes. Well, we've got a little short film we shot on the Komodo coming up, and after that, we're going to share some tips we have from working with the camera. If you want to compare the ProRes to the Red RAW clips in this episode, check out our Patreon. Links below. Now hold on, because I've got to make a quick collect call. Tovar здесь. I'm here to see Dmitry.
Dmitry?
Dmitry.
Dmitry is unavailable.
I see. Then I want to dance.
I also want to dance.
Потанцуем?
Хорошо?
Да. You know what I got in here, baby?
What?
Potatoes.
Nadie extraña a Megabarin. Od volka bežal. Dana medvedia papao. Пожалуйста. Si te убьешь меня, no te umbrios.
Перестань! Я люблю лево.
Brusha, yeah. Little kitten, meddling where you don't belong.
Лево.
Любовь зло, полюбишь и козла. Ты козел, Борис. Фу.
Hold on, Film Jams. There's red cameras, there's red communists, this episode and the metaphors. Holy cow. All right, well, I have to say that the Red Komodo is a pretty fun camera to film with. It feels almost like a little miniature Alexa Mini. I really like the smaller size of the body because I find it works well for handheld work and also on the gimbal. And the touchscreen interface that's built into the top of the camera is really convenient for smaller builds that we had as well. For audio, we used the new Hollyland Lark 150 system, which enabled us to get 2 discrete audio channels into the 1/8" audio jack on the Komodo body. And if you haven't seen our video yet on the Lark 150, so for our scene together, Tatiana and myself both wore Lark transmitters that each independently went into the camera. This actually worked surprisingly well because audio was one of the aspects of the Komodo I was a little uncertain about going into production. Maybe if our accountant didn't spend all our money on the camera body, we would have money for audio. Definitely the accountant. We wanted to film some scenes in low light because that's always one area that I've been a little bit skeptical about when shooting on a Red camera. I find the shadows can get a bit grainy, but with the Komodo, I was actually really impressed with how the low light scenes came out, and I thought they looked really clean. We shot all of our scenes, even the night scenes, at 800 ISO, and I feel like overall the Komodo is a pretty well-rounded camera. Oh heck, Film James! What am I gonna do with all this lizard food? I thought there was gonna be a Komodo! Dang it! Overall, Film Jams gives the new Red Komodo a 9 out of 10 Peter Jackson rating.
Welcome to Bag End.
You give me those ND filters, and you give me full-size XLR ports, and I'll give you 10 out of 10, Red. So what do you guys think about the Red Komodo footage? Does this $6,000 camera hold up to Blackmagic's $2,000 Pocket 6K?
Make sure to subscribe and tune in next week where we compare the Alexa Mini to the Red Komodo.
All right, I'm Christian with Film Jams, and we'll see you next week.
Komodo in red, come dance with me.
This episode's blowing my mind. God damn, that's terrible.
Sorry.